Hi guys, today I was looking for free gift cards over the internet, and after hours of research, I finally found a safe way to get free gift cards. So far, Free Gift Card Generator worked great for me, but I don't think this tool will work forever. I'm not really sure how it works, but I've already tested it and I received a few working gift cards for completely free of charge. I've shared a website link in the description with you guys. Just please do not overuse this tool. As long as you will redeem 1 or 2 gift cards per week, it should be okay. So that's it guys. Please comment, like, and share this awesome way to get free gift cards with your friends. You don't have to pay anything, and you'll receive them instantly, directly to your account. Generator works on computers as well as iOS and Android mobile devices. Comment, like, and share, guys.